what truly makes our Gautam school stand out in today's world. It is not just our academics, our results, or our discipline. The real beauty of our school lies in the way teachers and students together promote humanity based practical learning every single day. In our classrooms, corridors, playgrounds, and even in the smallest interactions. We practice values that make us better human beings before becoming successful individuals. The core intention of our program is simple yet powerful. Though we all come from different castes, religions, cultures, and backgrounds, when it comes to humanity, we are one family. We learn to respect each person, accept their uniqueness, and support them with compassion. Humanity becomes our identity, love becomes our language, and kindness. We offer our heartfelt gratitude to our respected directors, Thomas sir, Shinto sir, our principal and vice principal. Their constant encouragement, open-minded approach, and strong belief in moral values have allowed us to recognize activities that build character, ethics, and empathy in every student. Their leadership has shaped an environment where values are not just taught, they are lived. Dear learners of our society, remember the truth. Even the smallest positive step can lead to a powerful transformation. Some people take initiative silently, not for recognitions, but for the betterment of education and the upliftment of society. These small efforts, when combined, will soon bring a vast change in our life and in the world around us. As a human being, we all face challenges, difficulties, and obstacles. But despite this, our hearts always search for a peaceful, fulfillment life. Mainly people, both elders and youngsters, still hold on the feelings of caste, creed, and religion differences. This division creates unnecessarily separation and lead to suffering and misunderstandings. But here is the hope. Change is possible, and that change begins with us. When we look at our school and our surrounding today, we can ready to see the transformation taking place. We are becoming more understanding, more respectful, and more united. We welcome every education seeker with open arms. Our school is not just an institution, it is a home with open doors, a family that cares, a community that grows together. If you wish to learn, involve, and transform your futures, Gautam School is the place for you. Come join our family. Let us learn together, let us grow together, and let us change the world one act of humanity at a time. Thank you.